Igbo Igbo mmamano afamo bụ nnọọ na Voice of the East. Anyị na-anabata gị n'obi anyị tata. Ebe anyị nwere nwa okorobịa mara mma, nwa okorobịa na-ewebata egwu, nwoke na-akụ egwu na-apị egwu. Ife gbasara egwu Igbo, ife a na-akpọ Igbo Trap. Igbo Rap. Mana, this is the freshest blood in the industry. This is the best thing to happen to the game in a while now, okay? I want to introduce to you Aguero Banks. Hey, my man, how you doing? Ay, woke di ofuma, woke di godu, woke zulezu. Namo, no. Keki suwe like ya banyi biko.
By the one.
What do you okay? No. Kai bopio so makanama made very busy. If he is enjoy jogebo, ke kowala ni ki siwe banye. Na the journey of music.
Okay.
How did it start?
Journey of music. Otegokwa. Since mpempe kai bido music. So.
Where body na the family like mom, magomo, dad, somebody.
My dad went on a music store.
Yeah. Okay.
So all a music store cannot do. So what the year will be do.
Right. Okay. Makana Debunking magonya to a few details, intimate details about yourself. Maybe eba mologi, mago little things like that.
Okay, I'm actually out in Enugu.
I swear.
I'm So I'm actually out in Enugu. I got primary, na secondary, na Enugu State. The tertiary institution, University Kanga na Ebonyi State. Alex Ekweme Federal University. Family of 5. I'm the middle child.
Oh. Would you say you like being the middle child? I like a more superior.
I like a middle child.
All right, man. Okay, let's get to the business, right? First of all, let's talk about your nickname. Are you okay talking about it? All right.
Yeah.
So, the Onyangoro nickname, is it because you love to, smoke? Or is there a reason behind it?
Yeah. Onyangoro means the boy with the smoke.
All right.
Yeah, the boy with all the fire. The boy with all the fire in him. The boy with the hunger.
Okay.
So that's the Igbo translation of the boy with the smoke. Onyangoro.
Onyangoro.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Don't think too much of it, okay? Don't think too much of it. Okay, so you're also known as Ezonyiko. How did the Ezonyiko come about?
Ezonyiko. Okay, my dad was the first Ezonyiko.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm the Abomiyende by na Obo.
I swear.
So, growing up, my dad's title was Ezonyiko. It means Iribagwago.
Okay.
You feel me? So, growing up, I became Ezonyiko, all destined. So, right now, I'm Ezonyiko. Update Ijikwa.
Dalu. So, Yasin Igbo is a stubborn person.
I'm a stubborn person.
Uchimo, Iporodi can push you. Although Ghana Igbo is a stubborn person.
I'm a stubborn person.
Okay,
it takes enough stubbornness to be here,
I agree completely.
I'm a stubborn boy.
Okay, so how has it been in the industry for you? How have you found the entire business itself?
It's been a journey. I've been experiencing it. I've just been living my life.
Okay.
Experiencing it one day, each day on its own. You get me? And then just experiencing my process. So that's just it for me. The industry, a process for me, an experience for me. So I'm just experiencing the process, the highs, the lows, the days I'm all alone, the days I'm with people, the days I'm shooting content, the days I'm with my loved ones.
Okay.
It's just an experience for me.
Would you say you're having fun?
Yes, I am. I'm enjoying myself.
Completely.
Obviously, as you can see.
I can see. I see you, man. All right. So, Akwa Ego. That's the hottest thing right now, right? Would you say that is this your best work yet? Would you say that this is the best work yet?
I think my best work. You've not even listened to my best work.
Wow.
Yeah, my best work is actually my next work.
The one that's coming.
Every time.
Abi? Okay, the newest one is the hottest one.
Yes,
Okay.
So, but Akwa Ego is a very special song to me. Shout out to Onowu Gonabo. Yeah, Akwa Ego, a very special song to me. For me to do it the way we did it, the rap, the chorus, the message behind the record. Even before we made that record, we knew that the record would be a special record.
Okay.
You know, shout out to my manager. He always knew ahead of time now. This record be a special record. And funny enough, Otego, for the past 3 years, we've been wanting to put out Akwa Ego. Every January, I said January I get in Akwa Ego. Every January. For the past 3 years now, January, I not get in Akwa Ego, but you know, everything went perfect timing. I feel like this is the perfect timing for it.
Is there a story behind Akwa Ego? Because it sounds like an emotional project for you. Is there?
Every of my projects are emotional to me. Every one of them were an emotional project to me. But as an Akwa Ego is special in a way that Akwa Ego, only I don't know that time, that period of time. Because every of my music has a story behind it. I'm more of a storyteller. You feel me? So, and when stories behind that, Akwa Ego, only I don't know Gabiga in-house, the Hero Incorporations, that's my people.
Right.
So when we made that record, only I don't know Gabiga. So Oyakoji is very special to us, and I'm very happy that people relate it to everything I said on the record.
You're telling our story, actually. Let's dig deeper into the industry. Sometimes our A-listers in the game, right, often get criticized. Nafade and yellow younger artists who are trying to come up. Do you agree with that? Do you think it's true?
You know, in 2020, I go to school, my manager, Igbo Rap, we didn't know anybody in Enugu, you know, in music scene, you feel me?
Right.
So, without prior knowledge and not knowing anybody, so do you think I'm not here today? You get me? So, I think it's a fallacy for me.
Fallacy.
You get me? I think it's a fallacy. I think it's not true. And apart from me, where hundreds of people in Goraka, more when they Raka on a steady, when they more on a steady. So I think it's not true.
It's not true.
Yes, I think so.
Thank you for clearing that, because at least each go don't want to weigh your example. The way you said, Manuel Romaka, I won't even be here.
That's true.
And you know, all of us need that hand every now and then. Okay, so let's talk about the growing trend of most artists in Southeast, especially those in your direction and genre, who are now trying to sound like you. What do you think about that? How does it make you feel?
It's a blessing.
Right.
For me, it's a blessing. You know, when you hear people say that this person is sounding like you, or when you hear a song and people are saying that this guy is trying to sound like you, I think that it's a blessing to do something to an extent where people want to sound like you. It's a blessing to me, and that's how I see it.
You don't think it affects your originality in any way?
No, it doesn't.
No. Okay. Is that one of the reasons why many artists from East struggle to break into a national scene? Do you think so?
I don't think so.
I mean, if I'm trying to sound like you, it might be, if I find out that it's not really you, I might not be interested.
You know, in every business, originality matters a lot.
Okay.
You know, in any business, even in journalism.
True.
You know, if anybody that wants to sound like you might not be greater than you. Might not be. Some people might. You don't. Nobody has a formula to all these things at the end of the day. But you know, keep putting 2 and 2 together. Anybody trying to be like you might not be greater than you, or something like that. You feel me? Especially when the person is not trying to learn from you. The person is trying to copy all you're doing. No, there's a difference between you're learning from this person,
right,
and you're copying this person. You get me? So the person might not get to where he or she is meant to get. You feel me? But for me, if I see people that want to do what I'm doing, you get me? I see it as a blessing to me. All
right, smile a little. We want to see the grills. You know, they're really hot. They're really hot.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's off for belly, mambugo. Okay, off for belly. Cool. Is it possible for an artist to make it from the Southeast without necessarily going to Lagos? Nkabu isi seponte right now.
Without necessarily going to Lagos.
Or you wouldn't Lagos.
All depends on where dream gide. For me, I say dream abroad Lagos, dream the greater than Lagos.
Okay.
You get me? And funny enough, I don't even need to be like I want to conquer the world. My music is doing pretty well in some African countries right now. Like you go to our back end, you see that Akwa Ego is topping charts in Tanzania. in where else again? In Ghana.
Okay.
You feel me? And I've not even been to Tanzania in person.
Right.
You get me? So this is music. You don't even need to travel to where you want to go to for you to. Music no need permission to enter your body. Anywhere where you do, you get songs where would they play now? When you go in watch, I am already down. I go. I had a hotty hand. I go. Abroad English kahana so abroad Igbo kahana so. But it's still going.
Ilotekwa willow. Mgbe no na abujori ya mapu ya na manka si no heartbreak song ai fe bai na agbo ya mana egwu be egwu.
Funny enough, aga go egwu na Cameroon, I be na Nigeria na Willow ga atuare ya na Igbo. Ka na agugo dia.
Ai na agucha mana ụlọ ụka. Aguero is here at the Voice of the East House and I show you matter one or two about him. Bambo ki sonyela anyị na our page ki we na my fine me from time to time. Na mo follow like 2 questions and I'll let you go. Kedu one thing, you know, your fans and our audience, one thing about you that anya maro.
Unamaro, one thing.
Something about you, anya man, o want to go onye mother thing before.
Hi. Nkwe na everybody amaro ni. Oh, the problem.
Yeah, then on easy for all of us to know. Do you cook?
Do I cook?
Yeah.
I can boil hot water.
Sauce, yeah. Hey.
Okay,
yeah, we're getting somewhere.
Yes.
Okay, so Aguero Banks can fry eggs.
Yes.
Any particular kind of eggs? Just normal?
Normal egg.
Normal egg. And normal million
Yes.
just in case.
My number one make a stew. Mama see white rice.
A very handy husband material, somebody.
You know.
This is quite nice. Okay, so if you were making music,
Yeah.
what's another hustle that you'll be doing instead?
I'll be getting money. Like, I don't know what I'll be doing, but now I'm sure I'll be getting money.
Okay, that's crazy. And I'm tapping into that particular one. If I wasn't doing this, I'm sure I'll be somewhere making money as
Yes.
well. All right, the last question for the day. What's the one thing you want to tell your fans and anybody who loves you out there?
The return of Ezonyiko will be televised.
Inugia from Ezonyiko himself. And I am Norma saying to you, bye.